Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So first click to start and type file manager. Okay, open it. Then click desktop. Okay, so you can right click to click to more option and then click to property last. Then you can see locations. So guys, if it is showing here locations D drive and yeah, in the D drive getting any issue, so please guys go to by default options, which is you can restore default. Okay, it will restore means it will come in the C drive automatically when you click restore default. Okay, and then click to apply and then okay. Okay, I am talking not download only, desktop also. Right click to desktop, click to show more, then click to last one property, and then click the locations, then click to restore default. Okay, and after that click to OK and OK, and then close it. Next, click to start, type CMD, and then right click to run as administrator, and then guys type sfc space slash scan now and then hit enter. After that it will start the percentage. So this command is very important for your system. It will recover, restore your system files, your system dial files and all and everything. This is actually good best command for your system. So guys, please wait for few seconds because when it is 100% completed, then need to restart your system. Okay, then after the restart you have to check your issues, it's resolved, it's okay, and if not, so please comment me, I will create another video. Okay, thank you, bye bye.